In this video, I'll show you how to restore MetaMask access if you've lost it and don't have your seed phrase, and what is and isn't possible. First, it's important to understand this. MetaMask cannot reset or recover your wallet for you. There's no forgot password option without your secret recovery phrase or private key. What you can do is check every possible place you might still have access or a backup. Start by checking other devices. If you ever used MetaMask on another phone, tablet, or browser, open it and see if you're still logged in. If you are, immediately go to Settings Arrow Security and reveal and write down your secret recovery phrase, then store it safely. Next, check any cloud backups or password managers. On mobile, see if you enabled MetaMask's encrypted backup in iCloud or Google Drive. Also search your password manager, Notes app, or files for saved seed phrases, private keys, or JSON key store files. If you can't find a seed phrase, private key, JSON file, or a device that's still logged in, there is unfortunately no way to restore that wallet or its funds. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.